In the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency, there is one event that has captured the attention of investors and enthusiasts alike, the Bitcoin halving. Scheduled to occur in 2024, this momentous event will see the reward for Bitcoin miners cut in half. But what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin? And why is the halving such a significant event? Join us as we explore the countdown to the Bitcoin halving and gain a deeper understanding of why this event is so important to the future of cryptocurrency. Get ready for the biggest event in the world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin halving 2024. The clock is ticking and the countdown has begun. But what does it all mean for investors and traders? Join us as we explore the significance of Bitcoin halving and how it could potentially affect the future of this digital asset. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay ahead of the game. Tune in now to understand the countdown and its importance. What is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving is a process where the rewards for mining new Bitcoin blocks are reduced by half. The current block reward is 6.25 BTC, and it will be reduced to 3.125 BTC after the halving event in 2024. This event is built into the Bitcoin protocol and is designed to reduce the supply of new Bitcoin in the market, thereby maintaining its scarcity and value. When is the next Bitcoin halving event? The next Bitcoin halving event is scheduled to take place in 2024. This event will mark the fourth halving of Bitcoin since its inception in 2009. Why is Bitcoin halving important? Bitcoin halving is important because it directly impacts the supply and demand of Bitcoin in the market. The reduced supply of new Bitcoin makes it more scarce, and hence, increases its value. This can potentially lead to an increase in the price of Bitcoin, as we have seen in the past after previous halving events. How does Bitcoin halving affect miners? Bitcoin halving affects miners by reducing their rewards for mining new Bitcoin blocks. This makes mining less profitable and can potentially lead to a reduction in the number of miners. However, it's important to note that mining difficulty also adjusts after each halving event, which can help maintain the profitability of mining. How does Bitcoin halving affect traders? Bitcoin halving can potentially lead to an increase in the price of Bitcoin, as the reduced supply of new Bitcoin makes it more valuable. This can be a good opportunity for traders to make a profit by buying Bitcoin before the halving event and selling it after the price has increased. What happened after the previous Bitcoin halving events? After the previous Bitcoin halving events, we have seen a significant increase in the price of Bitcoin. For example, after the first halving event in 2012, the price of Bitcoin increased from around $11 to over $1,000 in less than a year. Similarly, after the second halving event in 2016, the price of Bitcoin increased from around $650 to over $19,000 in less than 2 years. What is the current state of the Bitcoin market? The current state of the Bitcoin market is bullish, with the price of Bitcoin hovering around $30,000. This can be attributed to various factors such as increased adoption, institutional investments, and the current economic climate. What are the potential risks associated with Bitcoin halving? One potential risk associated with Bitcoin halving is a reduction in the number of miners, which can potentially lead to a decrease in the security of the Bitcoin network. Another potential risk is a decrease in the price of Bitcoin, which can happen if the market does not react positively to the halving event. What is the role of Bitcoin halving in the overall Bitcoin ecosystem? Bitcoin halving is a crucial part of the Bitcoin ecosystem, as it helps maintain its scarcity and value. It's important to note that the Bitcoin protocol is designed to have a maximum supply of 21 million Bitcoin, and the halving events help ensure that this limit is reached gradually. How does Bitcoin halving affect other cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin halving can have an indirect impact on other cryptocurrencies as well, as it can potentially affect the overall market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies. If the price of Bitcoin increases significantly after the halving event, it can lead to increased interest and investment in other cryptocurrencies as well. What is the impact of Bitcoin halving on the environment? Bitcoin mining is a resource-intensive process that consumes a significant amount of energy. With the reduction in mining rewards after the halving event, there may be a decrease in the number of miners, which can potentially lead to a reduction in energy consumption. What are the potential implications of Bitcoin halving for the future of cryptocurrency? Bitcoin halving is a significant event that highlights the importance of scarcity and value in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It can potentially lead to increased adoption and investment in cryptocurrencies, as investors seek to benefit from the potential increase in the value of Bitcoin. That brings us to the end of this video. We hope that you found this information helpful and informative. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.